This book you are planning, Mr. Lotlekar,
Yeah.
what will it contain exactly?
I see. I'm working on this coconut shell for so many years, and I thought my main idea is to impart this information to the young generation and the people who knows very less about coconut. We know, as a Goan or as a people from the coastal areas or southern states or some eastern states, they know the something about coconut. But some states like northern India, they don't know what is coconut. Or some people they know coconut, but when they see the coconut, only they see something like golden yellow color with the husk, whatever thing that this thing. And I have experienced so many things when I go for the exhibitions. They said, coconut, these articles are made of coconut shell. They said, no, this cannot be coconut.
I see.
They are fighting with me.
I see.
They were telling, this cannot be, they said, I challenge you, they said. These are not coconut. These are, how coconut we have seen.
I see.
So there was so much, this thing, sometimes there's a argument and all. Then finally I have to convince, see, coconut shell, coconut means there is a, this thing, then I should carry the coconut with me.
Yeah.
And I have to show, this is a coconut, this is the outer part, this is the fiber of that. After removing the fiber, you get this. Then they are
happy.
So I have seen these people, so I also get so much interest about this also. Then besides what happened, people, there are so many students, college students, then NEFT student from Delhi,
National
Gujarat,
Institute of
NEFT,
Fashion Designing.
Fashion Designing. Every year they come from Delhi or from Gandhinagar.
I see.
They come to their project work.
Yeah.
They are doing something on fashion design, jewelry and all that thing also, and art, craft, something. So they come every year. So they don't know.
Yeah.
So and when I was just doing research on this, so I visited so many libraries, but I could not get the information which is required to give. Suppose when I go for the workshop, what information I can get, I can give. I cannot give. I could not have any reference. In the big, even the central library I made, library outside Goa, I went to Kerala also to collect the information. They also have a limited information. Then I have started collecting information from the people, old people who are experienced and all, how they were using coconut and all that thing. So I have collected a lot of information from the people, and who had some agriculturists also I visited. Lot of study I have done it, and after the study I said no, I have to do something so that this information should go to this thing. They should get ready-made. The school should have, all the schools should, the book is such that all the school, once they open, they will get entire information of the coconut. Not only the coconut, besides coconut tree, then the other, how coconut tree was used in olden days, and most part is about the coconut shell. What I am doing it. All the information is there. It is very informative book, and I say all the schools, colleges, and other institutes, they have to use this book, and they will. I'm sure they will use it. This book.
It is a very eco-friendly use of available material.
Yes, it is very eco-friendly because it is considered that only 3 things was very hygienic, and they were used for consumption purpose. One is gold, silver, and third is coconut shell.
I see.
It was somebody told me coconut shell, because why coconut shell it was very hygienic and it was natural. You can just cleaning once. They in olden days sadhu and all they used to use. After that, our people started using as a dolos, especially dolos, traditional dolas.
The big spoons.
Big spoons they were using, even for festival season and all. And now after that we have modified. Now again the people have come back. They wanted to use coconut shell. In our exhibitions, we sell most of our spoons. We sell most of the spoons. We sell cups.
I see.
And I have developed the technology, such technology that those become more usable. Now, so a simple instance I will tell you that I mentioned on the book also. We make cup. Not only Goa, our students also whom we train, they also make cups. Kerala also they make cup, other states also they make cup. But the cup made by them, I can challenge. Cups made by them and cup made by me is different. Because I have introduced one system called interlocking system. What we do, we take one outer shell, we take one base and we join it and we make a cup.
Right.
So it can be used for either it can be used as a showpiece. And if you use it for once or twice, automatically after getting it wet, or if you put hot tea, that thing's base will separate. That glue, any glue which you use, it will not hold it. It will after use, it may use for 5 years, 5 or 6 times. It will work. So this should not happen. I have developed one technique. I made interlocking.
I see.
After gluing from outside, then the interlocking is done with a hard wood.
I see.
So that even if you put boiling water or boiling coffee, it will not get separate because there is support of hard wood is there. And no metal is used, only hard wood is there. So similarly with the handle also, I interlock with a special technique is developed and for the handle also. So handle will not come out.
Yeah, that's interesting. But
Yeah.
can we look around at some of the
Yeah,
handles?
I will show you the cup. I will show you.